Hello, Big Reds. This is Mr. Fischel saying this is part two. So let's get started. Find the volume of this rectangular prism. We're going to take area base times height, so 10 times 4 times 3. That'll give you your answer, which is 4 times 3 is 12, times 10 is 120 cubic meters, with a little 3 there. Aquarium has dimensions. It's a rectangular prism. Dimensions 3.5 by 5 by 5, so we're going to multiply these together. 3.5 times 5 times 5, which is going to be 25 times 3.5, which is about 87.5 cubic feet. Okay. All right, next one. Find the volume of the cylinder. Well, the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. We got to take half of the diameter here. So half of the diameter is going to be 5 squared, and the height is going to be 12. We're going to take 25 times 12 times pi, and we get about 942.5 cubic feet. Okay, find the exact volume of a cylinder that has a height of 14, radius of 6. So same type of thing. Exact, you're just putting it in terms of pi like we did in that last video, so same type of thing. Okay, this type of problem right here, what we're going to do is to find the volume, we take the area of the base. So the area of the base, this is a triangular base, which is 7 times 5 divided by 2. Then multiply that by the height, which is 10. And get your answer. So it's going to be 175 cubic meters. All right, this one right here, we're going to have to do is a little subtracting. We find the volume of the cube or the prism here. So it's going to be 7 times 7 times 7. We're going to subtract out the volume of this cylinder. The cylinder formula is pi times radius squared. The radius is going to be half of 5, or 2.5 squared, times the height, and the height here is 7. So this is how you'd set up and solve this problem. You can do that on your own. Okay. Well, let's just do it. Why not? Take 7 to the third power minus pi times 2.5 squared times 7. So approximately 205.6 cubic feet. Okay. That's what's left over. Next problem, we have with a rectangular base. So we take volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base, which is 8 times 10. Multiply that by the height. The height is in the middle, which is 15. And you get your answer. So let's do that. So it's about 400 cubic feet. Okay, next, going down to this one. Find the volume of the cone. So again, cone volume is going to be 1/3 pi r squared times height. And this could be 25 times 9 times pi divided by 3. It's about 235.6 cubic meters. Okay. Going on to this one, we have two shapes of composite solids. So we're going to take the volume of the cone, which is 1/3 pi times the radius here is the same as down here. So it's going to be 5 squared times the height of the cone, which is 7. Plus, we're adding on, because it's an addition, it takes volume of the cylinder, which is pi times radius squared, times the height of the cylinder, which is 8. And you could figure that out on your own on your calculator, but that's how you do it. Next one, find the volume of the sphere. The volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi times r cubed. Get the radius, you got to take half of that. 7.5 divided by 2, which is 3.75. And you get your answer. Okay, I'll just do this one real quick, my calculator. 3.75 to the third power times pi times 4 divided by 3. So you get about 220.9 cubic meters. Okay, next, down here we have another composite solid. We have a cylinder and a half of a sphere, hemisphere. So we take volume is pi times radius squared, which is 7 squared, times height, which is 3, plus 4/3. No, it's not going to be 4/3. We'll see. We'll do half of that, so that's going to be 2/3. 2/3 pi times radius cubed. And that's how you get your answer. Okay. I'll try another honors only video in just a minute, but the rest, you guys have everything you need for tomorrow's test.